Hi, my name is Jennifer Ellis and I'm with Home Sweet Home Enterprises. It's a boutique agency located in northern New Jersey. Right now we are on Glen Lake in Bloomingdale, which is exactly 30 miles out of New York City. I'm going to show you a house over here that is going to be coming on the market in the next couple of weeks. So this house was built in 2008, and as I said, we're just doing some cleaning up and moving, and we're going to be putting it on probably in about 2 weeks, which is pretty exciting. So we're going to continue on down the lake here. Home Sweet Home has a special program for when you buy a new construction home called We Pay You. With We Pay You, we bring you to the models for a model home or a builder's home, and as long as the property hasn't had a certificate of occupancy issued yet, it is considered a new construction home. And not only do we offer you a buyer representation, but we also offer a 25% rebate, which is actually pretty fantastic. So you get representation and you get money back at closing. With the model homes and with the builders, if you are working with the agent that's there, especially if it's one of the big companies, a Lennar or a Toll Brothers, the agent in the model is only working for the builder. We would be working for you as buyer's agents, not as disclosed dual agents, but buyer's agents. I just had to make sure that we were going in a good direction here. So this property coming up, we're not quite there yet, but it's actually a new construction home and it's on a lake, which means that it actually hits two of Home Sweet Home's specialties. We specialize in lake properties in northern New Jersey and then buyer representation with new construction. So we're going to be coming up on the property. The property was built a couple of years ago. It has not been occupied yet. It's a contemporary home with absolutely magnificent architectural features, big open floor plan. The fireplace is original to the house in the lower level. It does have a boat dock that you could like hang out on the top, and then there's two boat slips on the inside. You can actually see it's coming up. It's got that little square window over there. Just to tell you a little bit about Glen Lake, it's a 111-acre private lake in northern New Jersey. We're a couple minutes off of Route 287, Route 23. We do have all the big box stores and everything close by, but as you can see, we can sort of pan around a little bit, that we look like we could be in the wilds of anywhere. It is a very vacation feel. It's really the norm for everybody to come here and go for boat rides and a lot of barbecues, and we've got a clubhouse with community activities. So a lot of the lake houses tend to be a little bit older, a little bit, needing renovation. And that's the benefit to buying new construction, is that you could spend your free time instead of...
I know, sorry.
That's okay. Instead of spending your free time and money on renovations, you get to spend your free time fishing or swimming. Just to bring up swimming, since I'm on the topic, the lakes of New Jersey, Lake Iosco, Canfie Lake, Glen Lake, offer long distance swimming. So if you're a triathlete, and both Lake Iosco and Glen have multiple triathletes, it's a great way to train, and you'll see that a lot of the other athletes will have their friends come over, and you'll see them on the weekend. Actually, Memorial Day weekend, we had a crew of swimmers going around, and you could swim the perimeter. So when they're in their actual activity, it's super training, because our water here is very swimmable. We're allowed to have up to a 4-horse gas motor here. All right, we're actually going to come over. This is the new construction house. It has never been lived in. There wasn't a house on the property before, and it was completely brought down. There's one or two things. You can see that the beautiful stone fireplace was there, but the rest of it is brand new. Clean lines, very contemporary. You could decorate it really any way you wanted. I think that, especially with like a mid-century modern vibe, would be pretty spectacular. So the list price on this is $999,000. It is listed with another brokerage, but as we said, we represent you as a buyer's agent, so you could reach me at Home Sweet Home, and I'd be happy to show it to you, because as I said, I'm a new construction specialist and a lake specialist at the same time. Well, thank you very much for going on this boat ride with us. So we're gonna sign off now. Thanks for watching, and I'm Jennifer from Home Sweet Home Enterprises. You can reach me at jen@hshenterprises.com if you wanted to shoot me an email, or my number is 973-433-3120. That's the office, or 973-652-7655. 7498 is my mobile. See you soon. Thanks for watching.